Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you have more than one cat, then you know that there's nothing worse than cat fighting over the cat food. This dual feeder from PETEMPO has solved so many of those problems.
So the unit comes with everything that you need and it was really easy to put together. It operates by batteries or by a plug in the outlet. The bottom has really great feet so that it does not move around at all, and it's nice and sturdy feeling once you put it together. The machine is easy to operate and program so that you can set up feeding times, and you can also control how much food is dispensed. Once you get that figured out, you add in your bowl, and you can see here it has a little operating mechanism that will divvy out the food to each side. I love how it has the little wall, and that really is a great feature because it ensures not only that the food will go to each side, but the cats stay away from each other while they're eating. There's absolutely no fighting, whether you let it add in that dry food or you add in some wet food on the side. Both cats have been very happy with this new arrangement, much better than before. And you also will keep one cat just as happy because they can have their share of food anytime that they want.
If you're looking for an all-in-one pet feeder that is quiet and also solves all of your problems when you have two fighting cats, then you need to get this feeder. It runs so well, it runs quietly, and it was really easy to operate and to clean. And that's my point of view.